please let me see wherever or whoever that made any comment just in condemnation to what is going on Igbos businesses and their shops. In the one that is happening in Lagos State is unbearable. If you see the videos of what Igbos are going through in Lagos State today, you understand that none of these people really regard any Igbo person as to be part of the country which they say that we must be. The Nigerian they gave to us is not something that we should be proud of, and it is very, very obvious. Most of all who were doubting about this problem and the belief and the faith of Nigerianists, those one in government, especially the Yorubas and the Fulanis, if you were in some of us that were doubting that they are not having this agenda against Igbos, are coming to realization to understand that the truth is that there's something going on